Today I'm going to teach you a very simple method how to buy followers on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube subscribers, YouTube views, and all those services. It is very simple, 3 steps. So the first step, you have to open your browser. In this case I will use Google Chrome. You need to type in a website called FollowersMagnet. You can see on the results, this is the website. You just click on it. You can see here buy followers, likes, and views. So if you have an account on the website, you can just click on login, but if you are new, you have to click on sign up. Input your credentials. You are directed to a dashboard where you can see your current balance. Click on the 3 lines at the top right. Select add funds. The site supports both payments from Nigeria and Kenya. So I will use example for Nigeria. I will add 4,000 Nigerian naira. This is the minimum amount that can be added. And then I click on pay. You see it has redirected to a payment page by Flutterwave. So you can either choose to pay via card, or you can click at the bottom here, change payment method. So you can use these other methods such as USSD, bank transfer. If you're in Kenya, the process is simple. Just use M-Pesa. You input your number, make sure your number begins with 254. If you're in Nigeria, make sure your number begins with 234. Back to my dashboard, you can see I have $2.7 on my account. I want to use this money to make an order for Instagram followers. So you can see this Instagram account has 9,532 followers. I want to buy 500 followers. So we'll click on the 3 dots at the top right. Select copy profile URL. Go back to the website. 3 lines at the top right. And then I click on new order. The category section. There are very many followers and very many services for different platforms. You can see their TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, all these services, and the process is the same. So for this example, I'm using Instagram followers. Then the service, you choose one service. For example, I will choose this one. So if it is $1.58, this means that 1,000 followers cost 1.58 US dollars. So I've selected that one, and then I click on the link. I paste the link that I copied. The quantity, I want 1,000 followers. You can see 1,000 followers cost $1.58. Then I just select I have confirmed with the order, and then I click on place order. So this means I will spend $1.58 to get 1,000 followers on that account. So I place the order, and that's it. So I will just go back to the account, give it like 5 minutes, and then I keep refreshing. You will see after a few minutes the followers will start to increase. You can see just a few minutes later, if I refresh, 9,552, 54. So you can see it is increasing. So I can also order for likes and views. This post, for example, it has 1,714 likes. I want to order for more likes, and then I click on copy link. I come here to the browser and I click. Now this one I won't select Instagram followers because I want likes. I will select Instagram likes. So I select Instagram likes. I choose a service. I choose any service, and then I input the link. I paste the link that I have copied, I input the quantity. So 1000 likes cost $0.08. So I place the order. Going back to the Instagram, this is the post, 1714 likes. You can also see the followers are increasing. We also expect that these likes will start to increase a few moments from now. The followers are increasing. The likes as well are increasing. You can see it's already at 2330 likes, and it is counting up every minute. The process is the same for every other service, such as Instagram views, YouTube subscribers, as all these services are indicated here. To check the process of your orders, just click on the three lines, click on order, and then select order logs. You can see the status of your ongoing orders, and there's an order ID, every status, how it's going on. You can always contact support by clicking on the WhatsApp button.